Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are from FRI 146. We want to present about practicum final report. And here are our member team. There are Rifat Al Kausar, Haniffan Zikri, and Nonia F. Next, here there are several content. The first one is business overview, STP analysis and marketing mix, marketing strategy and plan, production and plan, HR plan, financial projection, and feasibility analysis. The first one is business overview. Uh, here's here is our company profile. There are vision and mission. The vision is become an international class company with core products, and the mission are maintain product quality, develop product with innovation, and maintain product availability. Next is about product description. HR Medbox are run by rechargeable, non-removable battery. This product have two main big part. First is mainframe, and the second is medicine box. In the mainframe, there is heart rate and oximeter sensor, speaker, and display screen. HR Medbox is sold at 2,100,000 rupees with a blue and red color variant. The second one is STP analysis and marketing mix. Uh, there are three STP methods that need to be considered, namely segmenting, targeting, and positioning. For the segmenting, is divided into four parts, namely geographical, demographic, psychographic, and behavioral. For the geographic, higher HR Medbox will be sold in an industrial environment due, the, due to the necessities that are required in the environment. Next is demographic. HR Medbox is a work tool that is developed to helping people who are sick, especially the elderly, taking medication on time. The next one is psychographics. Higher Medbox will be sold to companies that have a high income. And for the behavior, the company focuses on partnership because the volume sold is not very high. So next is about targeting. The targeting section, which is determining the sales target according to who needs the product that has been designed. For positioning, in positioning is how the company can position itself to the community. So HR Medbox is a tool that is easy to use in any industrial sector. So it has the tagline helping company work easier. With the tagline, this product can position consumers, especially in industry. Next is marketing mix. The product Medic First Corporation is a manufacturing company that make health aid tools. One of the products are HR Medbox. HR Medbox is a product that can help the user to organize and store their medicine. For the price, will be sold for 2,100,000 rupees. And for the place, a manufacturing company and has a warehouse to store inventory of products and raw materials located in Rumah Sakit Street, Gede Bage, Bandung, West Java, Indonesia. And for the promotion that is carried by offering products directly to consumers as well as creating advertisement on company website services. Next.
So the next is marketing strategy and plan. Next. So in cost marketing estimation analysis, in advertising plan, we choose the best platform for our product advertising is Google Ads and social media. Why choose our why we choose Google Ads? Because everyone nowadays use Google as their search engine. So by joining Google Ads, it can turn up the sale of our product. Why we choose social media? Because social media like Facebook and Instagram are the commonly used application in the world. By using social media ads, it hope can make the company more profitable. The total cost of Google Ads is 2,600,000, and for social media is also same. We got the total cost is 2,600,000 rupiah, and the all total from Google Ads and social media we got 5,200,000 rupiah. Next. So next the production volume. In production volume, the selling volume for year 2022, we got 5,681, and after 5 years later, 2026, we got the selling volume is 5,705. From the product volume in 2022, we get 5,738, and from after 5 years later, we will get 5,879. From product direct material in total cost in 2022, we get 8,262,000 and 720 rupiah. And from the total cost in 2026, we get 8,000,000 for 465,000 and 760 rupiah. And for product indirect material cost, in total cost in 2022, we get 6,806,000 and 250 rupiah. From the total cost in 2021, we get 8,273,000 rupiah. Next. So in total fixed investment, we get 295 million and 616 rupiah. From the total of general administration in 2025, we got the result 20 million and 124 rupiah. In depreciation cost, in total cost from 2026, we got the value 58 million 19,835. In maintenance cost, we use increasing maintenance cost at 8%. And in maintenance cost in 2026, we got the total maintenance cost is 4,018,000 and 467. Next. So in electricity cost, the machine that we use is milling machine and drilling machine. The amount of machine is 2. For the total cost in 2022, we got the 1,030,000 372,678. From the total cost in 2026, we got 11,372,678. For the information, that for one day, the working hour is 8 hours. In 1 week is 5 days, and 1 month is 4 weeks. For 1 year is 12 months. Next. So next we have plan. Next. So this is the supply resource needed before recruitment. In 2022 and 2023, 2024, the total is same, is 21. The working days is 5 days per week, and working hour is 8 hours per day. Standard time is 19.775 minutes. For production capacity per year is 5,830. Next. So this is the organization structure before the requirement. Next. So these are forecasting super resource needed after the requirement. The total of year 2025 and 2026, the total is 26. Next.
So this is the organizational structure after the recruitment. First, at the top, you have, of course, the CEO, and below the CEO is the managers. There's 4 managers. There's production, marketing and sales, HR, and finance. Next. And this is the financial projection. Okay, the funds requirement from all the cost calculation, the total funds that we need is 2,856 and 301 million. And from the source of fund, 75% is from the owner equity and 25% is from the bank loan. And the interest is 8%. Next. Okay, this is the calculation of the cost of goods sold. So at the end, we have selling cost per product is about 2,100,000, and each year we increasing the percentage of profit that we take from 30% to 32% to 35%, 38%, and 40%. And each year we increase also our product. From first is 2,100,000 until at the next 5 years at 2026 is 2,400,000. Next. Okay, so this is the income statement, profit loss. All the data is still the same, and so at 2022 we have EBIT, or earning before interest and tax, is almost 2 billion. And at the end, at 2026, is almost 2.5 billion. And after the interest and tax, our profit is about, at the first year is 1,846 million, and at the end is, at the 5th year is 2,464 million. Next. So this is the cash flow. Okay, next. Okay, now the feasibility analysis. Next. This is the NPV and brick payback period. So our payback period is about 1.52, and the NPV is 6,800,000. And this is our ERR, 73.46%. Next. Okay. which is still the same, and the BCR is 1.22. That's mean our business is visible because it's more than one. Okay. Now is for the practicum of facility planning. Next. Okay, first in the facility planning, we need to determine factor and weight to determine which. So this factor is what we think important in to determine the location. First is there's UMK, the value of UMK, land cost, availability land, the supplier distance, and then the potential market, transportation access, potential disaster, and air quality. So we think that this 8 factor is important for our to determine the location planning. Next. So after we determine the factors, we use AHP, AHP to determine the weight, and then we use an ArcGIS application to determine the distance between supplier and to the company place. So first is the company A is in Bandung, company B is in Jakarta, and company C is in Cimahi. Yes, our candidate. So from PT Steel Pipe Industry to company A is 4.4 kilometer, to company B is 155 kilometer, and company C is 6.2 kilometer. Next. And then this our next supplier is Surya Logam Universal. To company A is 133 kilometer, to company B is 43.8 kilometer, and to company C is 135 kilometer. Next. And this is between Mitra Jaya Steel and our candidate location. To company A is 8.9 kilometer, to company B is 147 kilometer, and to company C is about 8.1 kilometer, and all the result is determined by using the ArcGIS application. Okay, next.
So next is location selecting using factor rating. So in alternative 1, Bandung, we got the total is 69.56. In alternative 2 in Bogor, we got the total 63.92. In alternative 3 Cimahi, we got the total 67.75. Next. So in routing sheet, the operation number, facility name, processing time, machine efficiency, and the fact in the routing sheet is based on the OPC that has been made. In total, actual machine required, we get the 50 unit based on calculation. The main that we use is based on reference from Techni, and the working days in 1 year is 240 days per year, with working hour 8, and the working day per week is 5 days per week. Next. So in determination MHY, we determine the MHY to be used, and our company, Medifresh Corporation, plans to use the trolley as a material handling tool. The dimension of trolley is 1 times 0.7 times 0.97 meter, and the capacity of the trolley is 300 kilogram. Next. So in stacking, the calculation of stacking, the value get from stack builder. The value of length, width, and height is from the table MHA. Next. In unit The most optimal delivery quantity is 82 seconds, with number of delivery frequency for each process is 1. The unit load is 1, time is 302, unit load 7, time is 182. Next.
Okay, next is area. The company's own area consists of an office area of 140 meters and production floor of 46,100.27 meters, and other facilities is mosque, toilets, security posts, and parking lots is 19.7 meters, and the total area of all is 6098.27 meters. So next is from to charts FTC. The from to chart table is filled based on the material handling cost in the previous table. So after calculating the overall total, the total cost used to the material movement from the initial workstation to the destination workstation. So is the total is 209 197. Next, here is initial layout our company. So we got the initial layout after add activity relation chart of ARC and after adding additional facilities. So the next is final layout. For the final layout, we use the software WinKSB and the SketchUp. So here is our final layout of the company. Okay, I think it's enough for our group. If there are any mistake, we are apologize. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.